Now? Busy.
Hi,
Leave
wanna
me
play?
alone. Get away from me, you orange nightmare.
Hey, Squidward. Want to see my new dance moves?
Not now. Can't you see I'm...
Before I can even start painting. This is just ridiculous.
Ta-da! Orange art.
What have you done? I'm orange.
I can't believe this.
Come on, let's go to the hospital.
This is ridiculous.
Police.
Who?
No, no.
Look at you, stuck in there while I'm free to dance. The orange nightmare is finally in jail.